You can see we're gonna put more water so it can fully cook. This is more water so the meat can cook, and make sure you taste it. I will taste it after to make sure it tastes the salt. So before that I cut this vegetables, they call it yukon, and the video got delayed, I don't know how. So we have celery that I already washed. So celery is one big part. I lost the other. We're going to remove her potatoes because they're going to be in the soup, and I can tell they're already half cooking. You don't want them to be too cooked and they're gonna be all broken. So we just have to remove them now before it's too bad. So you see, we removed all the